We are pleased to show you the 2016 CX-5. With its fuel-efficient engine, engaging driving experience, and daring styling, the Mazda CX-5 is a good choice for those seeking a sporty yet thrifty crossover SUV. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, electronic stability control, trip computer, fog lights, outside temperature gauge, leather seats, day-night rear-view mirror, tinted glass, body color door handles. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.